saw this video yesterday, I was so disappointed. That is just the truth. When I said some people called God, people came after me. Can you imagine? Just watch out and see for yourself. I'm so disappointed. To you, wherever you may be, I'm not happy this morning at all. When I saw this clip, I'm going to be dropping few of the clip for you to watch. Then you watch the full one in my friend's channel. I'll drop a link on my description box. I'm not happy about what I saw at all. There are things we should do. There are things that we should not do. When I said some pastors called God, some people came after me on my DM, shouting, "Why will you say such thing? This." But with what is happening, you will know that things are happening out there. It's not good at all. There are things we should do. There are things we should not do. For God's sake, what is going on? We know we are at the end time, but we are leading so many to hell in the name of God. So many people we are leading to hell. I just lost someone. May his soul rest in peace. He's not old. Not to talk of you that is older. Just watch the clip for yourself and see. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? No. Who does that? You can see the congregation. And you are telling them this in their front. What would you want them to do in their house? No. I'm not happy at all. What is going on? All those people involved in this, please come together and talk to this man. To me, when I watched the clip, I concluded that something is wrong somewhere. What is happening? Is it that you are happy with what is happening to Daddy Freeze now? I don't get it. We call ourselves Christians. We are killing ourselves. It's not enough for you to hold a gun and say you want to kill someone. No. You can murder someone with your own mouth. Why will you use such words on him? For what? Even if at all you don't know the father, should you say that? Because you want to please who? Is it God you are pleasing now or who? Please, I need comments. You people should comment below. Let's talk about this. What is going on as Christians? There are some things we should keep out of. There are some things we should not keep quiet. This is one of them. If I call myself a Christian, though they've not put oil on my head, that doesn't mean that I don't know what is good and what is right. What is happening among pastors? Why should you open your mouth and say such? I cannot who say it out of my mouth. Me that is not a pastor yet. Why will you open your mouth and call someone such name in the pulpit? You didn't even think if God now strike you, it doesn't concern you anymore. Because of what? Who are you trying to impress now? What is going on? I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy. I'm ashamed of myself. And you say that in social media. Yes, now. To the whole world. Then tomorrow you go and apologize. Now. Hey, God help us. God help us. I just lost someone. I've been thinking of that for some days now. Nothing in this life. Nothing. May his gentle soul rest in peace. This person I'm talking about is not, is a pastor, for your information. What is happening now? And this person that I'm talking, I know is in the bosom of the Lord.
I'm new in the school.
I can imagine. Because we are not, what is going on? Now this corona, they cause all this one. You the stagger for people.
So,
Who know whether you drink?
you guys' name?
May God forgive me for saying this. But I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed though. All those involved in this, you people should come together and console him. Talk to him. They don't do things that way. As a pastor, there are things you should do. There are things you should not do. If you call yourself a pastor, we just have to be very, very careful. We allow people to commit suicide. We allow people to do things they are not supposed to do because of the way we are leading them. Okay, I heard someone now die. Or in the name of my pastor said I shouldn't do it that way. I should not allow them to put blood on my body. The person die throw away.
My name is Flora.
We should wake up. Some of us, our eyes are still blind. We should open our eyes and begin to see things the right way. And begin to see things the way it is. I beg. We should be very, very careful.
Yeah, I'm new in the school.
May God have mercy on us. May God have mercy on us. Even me that is talking, may God have mercy on me. Because I'm not happy at all. What is all this? Because of what? What are you trying to tell us? We that are listening to you. We should go ahead and be insulting people, calling people names. Even in the Bible, I did not hear such name. When that man, the son, took all the property, half of the property, is enough for the man to disown the son. What did he say at the end of the day? He said, prodigal son. We should be careful, even if at all you want to use some words. Use the words that will not be pains to people's ear. When I heard it, I was not happy. I beg. No, pack for one place.
Right?
I talk and say some people now I call God. God not call them. Una come after me. They say, wait I know, wait I sabi. Not be to put oil for head, then they talk. Oh. What did they happen now? You people should be careful. Be careful. Especially those ones that call themselves pastors or in the name of pastors. You people are leading people to hell, destroying their destiny, destroying their future. Because you felt you have a lot in the inside of you. Then when you pass it out on them, it's for them to go and condemn themselves, for them to go and commit suicide. Some people will hear some things from you and will be wondering, who called you?
Okay, calm down.
What did they happen? I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy.
Okay,
You better caution yourself. Just go and ask for forgiveness. Go and tell God to forgive you all your sin that where you don't see, where we don't know. God is exposing you now. Now this one means so God don't expose you now. Make it continue. But be very, very careful. Bye-bye.